What's up guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making a 2023 vision board. I'm so excited about it because everyone is like, oh my gosh, vision boards are so unbelievably helpful in the new year. So I'm going to make it super cute, make it super Pinterest worthy, frame it and hang it up. And then at the end of the year, we'll do a check-in and see what exactly I have accomplished in the new year. I have some very big things that I want to do. So yeah, I'm super excited. We're gonna go out, we're gonna go to Target, probably Hobby Lobby. We might go to Home Goods because I need a probably mirror to stick in that corner instead of the Christmas tree because it's not Christmas anymore. So I gotta take it down. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you along with me to get all the things. We're just gonna run some errands, grab some coffee, be super chill and fun with each other. So don't forget to subscribe down below and also comment if you're making a 2023 vision board. Yeah, anyways, let's go ahead and get on into the video. Okay, so we have made it to Target. I actually did not stop and get coffee. I made my coffee because, well, I made my coffee at home. I actually just made an espresso because my Nespresso pods came. So I'm very excited about that, actually. I'm gonna stop babbling and let's go to Target. The most beautiful mirror at Home Goods, and it ended up being like an extra 30% off of the original price because it has glue on it, and they were like, yeah, it's got some glue on it. But the dude who was selling me the mirror, he was like, yeah, he was like, I'll give you 30% off, but you can take the glue off with WD-40. I was like, oh, okay, well that's good to know. But look at this mirror. It's beautiful. It is a big gold arched mirror. It's like 6 feet tall. I'm truly obsessed with it. But the problem with it now is that I had the man from Home Goods put it in my car. He picked up the mirror, he brought it to the store, he put it in my car. Now, nobody is here to help me get this mirror out of my car. I tried to pick it up myself. It's literally not working because the mirror is about 2 pounds. I'm so scared that this thing is going to fall because it has a tendency to, I don't know, like literally start shifting down whenever it's cold outside, and I'm so scared it's gonna fall on it. But I can't push it back into my car because it literally is so fucking heavy. So I don't know what to do. Nobody's here. Josh won't be here for another hour, but I'm not patient enough to wait to get it into the house for another hour. So I'm literally trying to devise a plan on how I can physically move this mirror inside by myself so that way I can see it in my space to see if I even like it. Because I don't want to bring it upstairs and like, oh, I don't like it, and have him bring it back down. That's too much. So I'm trying to save him some, but he was like, no, Lauren, don't you dare even try and pick it up because you'll probably end up shattering it. And he's not wrong, but I want to try to because I think that I have good arm muscles. I'm doing Pilates, so we'll see. I'll update you if I get this thing in the house myself. Okay, so we are back inside now. Josh, thankfully, came over. He brought the mirror in for me. I could not get it in myself, which is okay. It's fine, but we got it in now. This is what it looks like. So freaking cute. I love. 10 out of 10. Looks so cute in the space. Now it's time. We're going to make our vision board. I'm so excited. I got this cute little frame for it, which you kind of saw whenever I picked it up at Target, but this is what we're working with. For said vision board, these are hangers for my jeans in my closet. I got glue. I got these cute little push pins because I thought that it would be fun to just like have them just like as a little accessory. And then I got my favorite pins of all time from Target. Let's get to actually creating the vision board. I would suggest making a list of things that you want to accomplish, and then once you have made that list, then go back in and look for those types of pictures on Instagram. So look for what you want your career goal to be, your money goal to be, your just like anything. If you want to be more in shape, put a picture of like a girl that's super in shape that you would love like their body type for. Add some good foods if you want to start eating healthy, all of the things. But make a list first, compile that, and then start downloading pictures from there, because otherwise you're gonna get lost. Then print out also some quotes that you can collage in. Put like a few little I am statements on there, and also print out 2023. Let's get to looking at some Pinterest pictures. Okay, so I have all of my pictures printed out, and I'm just going to cut them out and lay them out on here, but I need to cut the poster board to fit this guy really quick. So I'm gonna do that first, and then we'll get to this. Okay, so I just cut the poster board to the size of the picture frame, and then I have all of these pictures that I'm ready to cut out. I've got my Elmer's glue, my cute little push pins. Honestly, I'm very excited about this. So now it's just like fun. I get to create a collage, do all the things. I have some blank paper that I'm gonna write down 2023 on, just to like post it in the middle. Let's get that going. So now I'm done cutting everything out. Now is just the time to start organizing how you think you want it. I would say just start out by spreading everything out, and that would make life a whole heck of a lot easier. So I just have like some small little quotes. Okay, so this is the format that I think I want to go with. So now I'm just gonna work on gluing that down. Vision boards like this can get kind of wonky because, well, you're moving pictures around as you're gluing them down. So be mindful of that as you're doing it. Don't have your heart set on something specific because it's really hard to glue down. So since I'm now done gluing everything down, I'm just going to write down 2023 and then cut that out. Some other I am statements. All right, so here we are. It's all hung up. It's beautiful. I highly, highly recommend making one, truly, because I feel like this is just a daily reminder of all of your goals. 10 out of 10. Alrighty guys, that is it for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give it a big ol' thumbs up and also subscribe down below. With that said, I will see you in next Saturday's video. Bye.